Tell everyone here your name. Amigo! One more time, what's your name? Amigo! Amigo is his name. Okay, now Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? Very polite, but indeed. Not only that, Amigo, he is also very smart. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, perfect. Good job, Amigo. Well done. This time he's going to count for us in Chinese. How do you count in Chinese? Hi, Amigo. Are you getting distracted by the bird behind us? He's getting a little bit distracted. By the way, that bird right there is not part of the show, okay? Amigo, can we try to count in Chinese? 2, 3, 4, not only that, he can sing as well, and he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. First song is a local children's song called Current Line, which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, can you sing in Mandarin? Current Line, there you go! Caroline, word for word. Second song originated from Indonesia and titled Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. This time, Amigo, can you sing Rasa Sayang? Rasa Sayang, Rasa Sayang, celebrating your birthdays today. Raise your hands if you're celebrating your birthday. Anybody celebrating a birthday today? Let's start from the first section. Nobody? How about the middle? Okay, that lady in red, this young lady right here. We have 1, 2. Anybody else from the middle? Okay, 3. How about the last section? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 49 of you, Amigo, you know what to do. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Before that, can all of you wave and say bye-bye, Amigo? That's it. Bye-bye. 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 Well done, Amigo, our yellow-named Amazon parrot. Now, parrots like Amigo, they are very hard to upkeep as they require a lot of time and commitment. They can be very loud and noisy as well, and some can even live up to 80 years old.